Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle the touchpad on RAZER Blade 15. To toggle the touchpad, click on Start, then click on Settings, then click on Bluetooth and Devices, then Touchpad, and now you can toggle it off. And now when I move my touchpad it doesn't work, so I'll need to use a external mouse. Now I can toggle it on. You can also enable an option leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected, so when that is unchecked, then it will just like when a mouse is connected, I have an external mouse, then the touchpad will not work until you unplug the mouse. I'm gonna leave it on. And here are also other settings for the touchpad. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.